What is up, everybody? It's Joshua and we're back with another video. Today we are here at SeaWorld Orlando to check out their summertime event called Electric Ocean. Now, Electric Ocean is SeaWorld's version of basically a Summer Nights Firework Spectacular, which will run from May 28th to September 6th. Electric Ocean normally does only run their Firework Spectacular Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but since today is Memorial Day, they are doing a special viewing of the fireworks at 9 o'clock. Ignite is a spectacular fireworks show with lights, pyrotechnics, music, everything you could ask for a dance party during your summer nights here at SeaWorld. Now, we are here to check out all of that stuff for Electric Ocean, but we're also here to maybe ride some rides. I brought my GoPro just in case, and if we have time, I would like to watch some shows today, because I haven't seen a SeaWorld show in what seems like a very, very long time. I did want to mention that the mask policy here at SeaWorld is the same exact mask policy they have over at Busch Gardens. Fully vaccinated guests do not have to wear a mask inside, outside, on the rides, in the queues, anywhere else. So they basically have the freedom to go wherever they would like, just like before COVID. But they do recommend not fully vaccinated or not vaccinated guests to adhere to CDC guidelines and wear them indoors, on the rides, and in queue lines. Now, they're going by the honor system. They're not actually checking your vaccine card. So let's just say everybody's not going to be wearing a mask, because once they hear, oh, I don't have to wear a mask, they're going to go for it. So if you guys are ready to go on this journey with me, let's go. Now, the first thing we're gonna do for sure is we're gonna grab a bite to eat, because I have not eaten today yet, and it is like 5:30 in the afternoon. I probably should have eaten lunch, but let's go grab a burger, something. I decided I wanted to come get a burger over here at Altitudes, because I hear they have really good burgers. Alrighty, so I ended up getting the Altitude burger, which comes with 2 patties, double cheese, bacon, chili, onion rings, and then lettuce, tomato, pickle on the side. That sounds very weird, but I wanted to try it. It was 20 bucks, so let's hope it's worth it. Also, it came with mozzarella sticks. Alrighty, it's smashed down. It's ready to be tried. It's big. Look at that. It's like the size of my face. That's crazy. Alrighty, so the Altitude burger, it was good. It wasn't the best, and it wasn't the worst, but I definitely probably would not get it again. Like, I don't think it was worth $20. So, to be quite honest, like, it was filling, it had good flavor, it had good potential. I didn't really like it that much to get it again, and I wouldn't recommend it. It took me so long to get the burger that at the end I was just like, eh. Alrighty, we definitely need a rest after that meal. This will be our show for the night. This is my choice. I haven't seen this specific show before, so let's go check out the Orca encounter inside Shamu Stadium.
To share their story with you today.
Killer whales are the ocean's top predator.
Makayo is the youngest whale at just 10 years old, and the oldest is Makayo's mother, Katina, who is 44 years old. Katina is also the matriarch or leader of our pod. Now, here at SeaWorld, our training techniques create a language between us and the whales. They even learn to take an active role in their own health and well-being. Now, in just a minute, we're going to have a couple of the whales join us here in the slide-out area. We're going to demonstrate what we call husbandry or healthcare behaviors. Now, one of the first healthcare behaviors we train the animals to do is to offer a voluntary blood sample. Now, Joe is going to ask Katina to roll ventral or upside down and present her tail flukes. Not only does this position give us a great look at her entire body, but it also gives us access to the blood vessels, which are easily seen on the white undersides of her tail flukes. Our veterinarians collect a blood sample at least once a month, and the whales are trained to remain calm and relaxed throughout the procedure. The powerhouse of the whale, it's called her peduncle. It's very muscular and very heavy. If we were to weigh Katina with her peduncle still in the water, we would not be weighing the whole whale. So we simply ask her to raise her tail up and out of the water. Nobody move those hands. When I say go, you guys are going to spin around in a circle 2 times and stop. All right, Alani's watching. Ready, team? Go. Turn in a circle. All right, stop. She's got it. As you can see, thank you very much, everyone. She was watching you very close to the water. Nicely done, nicely done. All right. I'm with you guys this time. We got Malia over there with Leia, and we're going to play another game. You guys are going to give a signal. I think we've got a bigger jump in store. When she gives you that signal on the count of 3, you guys are going to give it right back. All right, everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Nice signal, everyone. Now this jump is called a breach. Like a bow, killer whales will breach to get a better look around, but more often than not, they breach to show off. So here she comes. Let's hear it for Malia.
There is a brand new show here at SeaWorld called Elmo Rocks. I don't know if it's here just for the summertime for Electric Ocean, but it is here. It's over here by Infinity Falls. I'm not gonna watch it tonight. It doesn't seem like something I want to do by myself, but definitely come check it out. I know that Maddie B was here and did film this show, so make sure you go check her video out if you want to see what the show's like. It is definitely time to ride some coasters though. I've been here for a little bit of time. I have about 2 hours left to kill before the fireworks, so I think we're going to ride Mako. Headed to Mako. It says it's only about a 10-minute wait. Doesn't look like there's many people in line, so let's see. Oh my God. Looks like I'm walking into a dance party! Well, that was a really fun ride on Mako. I haven't ridden Mako in such a long time. It felt so good to be back. Plus, it's my first time back on Mako without a mask on. And that felt so different, but it was so fun. I think we're gonna ride one more coaster. We have about half an hour to kill until the fireworks. And I think that coaster is going to be Manta. Look at all them chickens. I'm just kidding, these are flamingos, but we call them our Florida chickens. Manta is posted at a 45-minute wait. I'm gonna wait as long as I can because I don't wanna, you know, be pressed for time to get over to the stadium to get a good spot. So unfortunately that line was a lot longer than 45 minutes and I don't have 45 minutes to spare if I want to get a good spot for the fireworks. So I think we're just gonna head over to the arena, or I'm gonna see how long Kraken is and we can just do Kraken and then head to the arena. I don't know, I'm just running out of time. Alrighty, well it looks like we're doing Kraken Unleashed. It's only a 10-minute wait. Let's go. Oh, that's so rough. Kraken is definitely not my first choice in coaster at all. It is such a rough coaster. I hate riding coasters like this. That's why I don't ride Hulk. That's why I really don't ride Kumba. I hate it. It's super rough. It hurts my neck. It makes my stomach feel queasy. But I really didn't have a choice with the time I had. Manta was way too long. But anyways, we're done with coasters, done with shows. Now it is time to head over to, I'm gonna call it Shoreside Stadium because I don't remember what it's called, and get ready for Ignite, Firework Spectacular. So here at one of the Electric Ocean bars, they have an Electric Galaxy Margarita, an Electric Lemonade, and then they also have some beers, sodas, and water. This one looks good. So it's blue raspberry lemonade with your choice of tequila, vodka, or rum. And then over here a little further down by Elmo Rocks, they have another cocktail area. In this area they have a Glowfish, Fireball, Cinnamon Whiskey, Banana Liqueur, Mango, and Pineapple. And then they also have the Electric Lemonade. The Electric Lemonade seems like it's a popular thing here because this is the second booth I've seen had it. But I'm thinking I want this Glowfish. I got the Glowfish Cinnamon Fireball Whiskey, Banana Liqueur, and then Pineapple and Mango Juice. It looks good. Let's give it a try. Oh, I like that. It's a very smooth drink. It's very fruity, and it's very dangerous because I literally taste no alcohol in this whatsoever. So I could chug this and probably be perfectly fine. This is really good. So it came out to like $13.89 after tax. but to me it's worth it. I really, really, really love this drink. Cookies! Let's go meet Cookie Monster and Count Dracula. I haven't done this ever. I'm excited. Cookies! Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hey. Let's get a picture, okay? Hey, Cookie, because you're cool. You're not a monster to me. You just love cookies, just like me. Like chocolate chip cookies, fresh out of the oven. Yes. I'll have to bring you some the next time. I didn't know you were here, or I would have. So next time, I got you, I got you. See you later, Cookie. Counts. How you doing? You good? You're in a dancing mood, aren't you? Guys, that was so much fun. I don't know why I enjoyed that so much. I literally was like peeking through the door to see if they were still doing the meet and greets, and Cookie goes and then points at me. It was so cool. Like, I really thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm glad meet and greets are back too, because that was actually like a real full-on meet and greet. We weren't too far apart. We actually got to interact a lot. I enjoyed that, but now we really have to head over to the area for the fireworks, because I think I only have like 10 minutes to get over. I only have 10 minutes to get over there. See, I try to save time and just can't. I always get distracted.
I'm feeling it.
line. Guys, that was so much fun. Oh, I enjoyed it. I don't know if it beat Busch Gardens, but I definitely loved it. Oh my God. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it from us here at SeaWorld Orlando with Electric Ocean and Ignite, the Firework Spectacular. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. This is probably the best time I've had at SeaWorld ever. Like, I normally do not like SeaWorld. Like, I normally do not choose to come to this park. But tonight kind of changed my perspective, and I'm really excited to come back. I really enjoy this fireworks show. I still don't think it beats Busch Gardens. Like, I really enjoyed Busch Gardens. This one was okay compared to Busch Gardens, but I still had a really good time. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. I enjoy bringing you guys along on these journeys. It was a whole lot of fun. I tried a really good drink. I rode some coasters. I watched a show for the first time ever. It was just a good day overall. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And like always, I'll see you on the next journey. Peace.